Hey everyone, today we are going to talk about a very important topic which we all know but we don't know how to do it. So, coming to the topic, we are going to discuss about how to practice to speak English fluently and clearly. Okay, so this is a very important topic, guys. You know why? Because हम सबको we all want to speak English very fluently, but then we know कि हमें बहुत खूब सारा प्रैक्टिस करना है, बहुत अच्छे से प्रैक्टिस करना है, and then we'll be able to speak properly. But we don't know how to start, what to do about it. Just speaking simple sentences and speaking small sentences like can I have this, can I have that, I want to drink tea, I want to have a glass of water. This won't help, really. Okay, this helps of course, but then there are lots more to it. How we'll grow, what we should do every single day so that we keep on improving and uplifting ourselves in our spoken English. So guys, don't worry, here I'm back with this video, and here I'm going to talk about some important tips or some mantras which will help you to practice well. And trust me on this, every single day you will see more and more improvement in your communication skills or spoken English. So let's get back to the topic. So I've always discussed about basics, like where to start from. Here also in this video, I'm going to talk about where we have to start from. The first thing is English is not our mother tongue. We all know that, but still we know how to read, how to write, and to understand. Okay, this is a very important point, guys. We are not unknown to this language. We are very familiar with this language, but it's just that it's not our mother tongue. We all don't speak. The people around us don't speak every day. That is why we are a little hesitant of speaking the language. It's just that. So we have to break that barrier, and trust me on this, the day you break that barrier, you will be bang on. You will start speaking English fluently. Okay, so the coming back to the point of discussion, first thing with basics is you have to start reading. Read more and more. Now why reading? Reading, I tell you to read more and more just because when you read, you can see how the sentence is constructed, what are the words which are used, how they are used, what is the meaning of the sentence, so you can analyze that. So that is why reading is very important. So you have to read, not just to read. सिर्फ पढ़ने के लिए नहीं पढ़ना. You have to make it a point that you should understand what you are reading. Okay, you have to make it a point that when you're reading an article, when you're reading a blog, or when you're reading a newspaper or any novel, you just try to see how the sentences are constructed, what that means, and what are the new words which you can grasp from that. That will add to your understanding of English better. Okay, coming to the second thing, which is you have to start listening also. When you listen to people who are talking in English, you analyze how they speak, how they put forward their words, their thoughts. So what are their thought process? Are you getting a clarity in understanding the other person? So these things you have to understand when you are listening to a video, or you're listening to anybody who is speaking, or on a television channel you are listening to somebody who is speaking. So you have to make sure that you try to understand how they speak, and how they put forward their thoughts. So these things are very important to analyze. Once you start analyzing these things, you will get an idea of like how to say, how to speak your thoughts out, okay, in front of people, so that they understand it more clearly. So these are the two things which are the basics which you have to start doing it right away. Okay, the other thing is, which I'm going to discuss in detail, is dedicate 1 hour every day to practice English. Now Here I'm going to discuss ways, I'm going to give you live examples like how you can do this. The first way is you take a topic, any topic. You can, take a topic like, uh, what do you want to become, or how, what is probably uh, weather change, or, cricket, any topic which is your favorite. Pick up that topic, guys, and start speaking about it in front of the mirror. Okay, take a stopwatch, you know get set the timer for 5 minutes and see in 5 minutes how you're able to speak. Okay, so speak in front of the mirror, try and add more and more sentences. Each day you will start improving, you will see the improvement yourself there, guys. So take a topic, start speaking in front of the mirror for, first start with 1 minute, make it 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes, and 5 minutes. This will help you a lot. Next point is, or next tip is, you use your phones, right? Everybody uses phone. There is a voice recorder, there is a video recorder. So what you do is, again, take a topic, start recording your voice, so that when you record the voice, and then you can listen it afterwards. Then start listening to it and then analyze where you are wrong, with what correction you need, where you fall short of words, where you couldn't frame right sentences. So basically you have to analyze what mistakes have you made in that speech. Okay, this will help you a lot to correct yourself. Again go back, again prepare, and again start speaking. Okay, so this way you will see the difference every single day. Again, voice recording, again you start recording your video. You see your body language, you see the pitch you are using, whether you're going slow, loud, subtle. So you understand all those things and see how other, that is where listening and, you know, reading helps. You can analyze how other people do and what you are doing. So you have a video of yourself, you have a voice record of yourself, and you can compare, and then you can correct yourself every single day. That is why I'm telling you that 1 hour every day dedicate to practicing English. Okay, speak in English for 1 hour. In that you can practice listening, you can practice reading, you can practice, speaking up, and these things will help you to improve. The other thing is, okay, so you can do all these things. Now, what is the crux of all these things which we have spoken about? The crux is that your speech will, you will get more and more clarity in your speech day by day. When you start practicing, and you start recording your voice or recording your video, and you start looking at people and seeing how they do it, then you will get clarity on what improvement you need. Okay, and then you can likewise put in efforts and start improving. I see, nobody will tell what improvement you need. You have to analyze it. People might say, okay, yeah, you need some more improvement, but they will not be the right person to give you the accurate, the view of what improvement you need. The only thing is you. You can analyze that. You can self-improve. Okay, so that is why I've spoken about these ways, so that you can improve by yourself. You are the best judge, right? So have confidence, start practicing these things. These small things will really help you in getting clarity in your speech, and your speech will be clear more and more, day by day. Go slow, use simple sentences, small sentences, when you start. So these things will really help. Other thing, the most important is, see, we are not, our mother tongue is not English. We are not born with, hearing English everywhere, right? So what we do is, when we start speaking in English, what we do is, we, at the back of our mind, we think in Hindi and we try to translate it in Hindi. This is very wrong, guys. Please don't do it ever. Okay, when you speak in English, always try to think in English and put forward your thoughts. This will help you drastically, trust me. So always do this. Whenever you speak in English, never think in Hindi or your mother tongue. Always try to think in English and then translate it into your words. Take these tips very seriously, guys, and trust me, you will improve every single day, and probably, in a month's time you will be able to speak English fluently. So this is all for today, guys. Keep practicing, keep watching my videos, my full videos. Please subscribe, like and share my video, so that I and do comment and let me know what all topics you are interested in, so that I can come up with those topics as well, right? Okay, bye bye, see you.